How to change your birthday if you're under 13 on Roblox. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your birthday if you're under 13 on Roblox. So let's dive in. First, open your Roblox app and then you simply have to click these three dots on the bottom right corner and then click settings. And now you have to choose this account info option and it's going to load this page for you. And now you can just change your birthday over here. And if you're unable to access this, do not worry. You have to come back and open your browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Safari. And then you have to search for roblox.com/support. And then it's going to bring you to this page. And here you have to enter your username, your parents' or guardian email address, and then re-enter it to confirm the email address. And now you simply have to choose the device that you're using or having the problem on by going to this arrow and selecting the option over here. I'm using iPhone. And then you have to just come over here and choose a type of help category, and here you have to choose age-based settings and account with parental privileges, and then you have to click this arrow over here and click change child age. And now you have to describe your issue over here. You simply have to type over here that you have to change the birthday of your child because it's entered wrong, and then you have to give the evidence and then click continue, and then you're good to go. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.